Welcome to TubeTurner. Right here, I have a red, a white, and a blue. 3 turners right here. What I'm going to use the red one today for this demonstration. I'm going to put the white and the blue off to the side over here, out of the way. Then I'm going to set the red one over here, out of my way. What we're going to do, we're going to take a pair of pants today and we're going to put elastic in them. And we're going to use the turner to do it. Now, with these here, there is no fly right here to open it for the waistband. So what we have to do, we're going to turn this inside out so we can find where the waistband is and where the seams are. Okay, now the seam is in the back right here, okay? So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to open up the side here and the side over here. So we'll take our seam ripper and we'll go through and open up the seams right here on this side. This one over here, we're going to have to go into it, push into it, and cut so we can make an opening to go into it. Now we have that done. Now what we're going to do is take a piece of black elastic right here and use our black elastic and run it through. I did this so you could see what I was doing right here. Now I'll take the hand grip out of here, hand control, and right through the end of it, right down here on this tip end, there's an eye. That eye was put there deliberately so you could put a needle through it, safety pin through it, thread through it, or a piece of string to pull things back and forth with. Now I'm going to take a pin right here, safety pin, and I'm going to turn my elastic in half and put my pin right through it. Now I'm going to place it through the eye, just like this. Now, what I want to do, I want to be able to pull my elastic like this. I don't want to be able to have to shove it and put force onto it because I'll be fighting it all the way. But my hand grip here, right here, is too short. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the carrier from the base plate, and then I'm going to remove the cap off the bottom here and place the two together and then screw them together here. Okay, set this off the side, this off. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. You can pull it like that. It's long enough to do it. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start this in, place it in here, and push it right on through. And then when I come up to this end right here, I'm going to hold this material and pull my turner right on through. See how that goes through there? Goes through real easy. Set that down, and I'm going to leave it about maybe 4 to 5 inches here. Now I'm going to turn this over right here so I can get the other side. I'm going to take my turner and go in the upper part of the waistband and push it through. Alright, when I get right here, I'm going to hold it again, and then I'm going to pull my turner right on through. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect my turner, unloose the safety pin right here. I'm going to set my turner off to the side right there, and then I'm going to take and connect these two together right here. Okay? And after I connect the two of them together right here, what are you doing there? Okay. Then I'm going to take and straighten this just like that. Alright? Now I have my elastic in there. But supposing that when you come back you want to put the elastic in there and the elastic and the waistband has been sewed together. So what you're going to have to do, I have some blue material here. What I've done, I took the blue material and it's the same size as the waistband. I sewed it on the inside and I turned it inside out with a turner. Now you take it, say like your seams here, put your seam in the middle and place it right on top, okay? Then take a straight pin and pin the top of it first place. And then the bottom. And as you sew the top, go all the way around the top, sew the top, and then come back and catch the bottom part of it, okay? Now this end is open, so you're gonna have to take your seam ripper and down on this corner here, you're gonna have to open this up so you can take your turner and go through it. Now, with this elastic here, I would not put elastic into it, sew it this way or that way. Because if you do, it's going to slide back and forth and you won't have no control over it. But this is what you can do with this after you have that in there. Now you can also take cords and put cords back into it. You can put lighter cords back into it. Here's a lighter cord into it. You can do it with coats, jackets, hats, hoods, whatever you want to do it with. Your turner has been designed with this eye so you can pull all that stuff through, use it without any problem. If you have any questions or would like any answers or anything, you can always contact us. Thank you for your time.